Here's how to change your WordPress logo step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, enter your site address with /wp-admin at the end, type your username and password, and press Login. Before you upload anything, open the folder on your computer where your new logo is saved and check the file is actually there. A PNG with a transparent background is the right choice for most headers because it won't leave a white box around the logo. And keep the file size under a couple hundred kilobytes if you can, so the header doesn't slow down. In the dashboard, click Appearance in the left-hand menu. The Appearance submenu opens. If you see Customize, click it. If you only see Editor, your site runs on a block theme, and I'll cover that route in a minute. Inside the Customizer, click Site Identity. That section holds the logo, site title, and tagline. Look for the logo area and click Select Logo. The media library opens. If your new logo is already uploaded, click its thumbnail. If not, click Upload Files, then click Select Files. Find the logo file in your computer folder, select it, and click Open. Wait for the upload progress bar to finish. Click the new thumbnail so it gets a tick in the corner. Then click the blue Select button. If WordPress shows a crop screen and your logo already has the right proportions, click Skip Cropping. Cropping here can shave off an edge, so I don't use it unless the image is obviously the wrong shape. The Customizer preview updates. Check the header and make sure the new logo sits where the old one was. If the logo is too large or too small, scroll to the logo width setting below the thumbnail. Drag the slider left to right and watch the header change in real time. I start around 180 to 200 pixels for a standard header, then click the tablet icon, then the mobile icon at the bottom of the Customizer. On the mobile preview, the logo should stay readable without pushing the menu button off the screen. If your theme has a separate mobile logo width, set it to about 140 pixels. Click Publish at the top left, then open your site in a new tab and refresh. The new logo should now appear in the header. For a block theme, go back to Appearance, then click Editor. In the site editor, find Patterns, click it, then open Template Parts, click Header to open the header template, click the current site logo block. The block toolbar appears above it. Click Replace, choose Upload for a new file, or Media Library if the image is already there. Select the logo and click Open. The old logo is replaced. Use the width control in the right sidebar to size it to the header. Click Save, then refresh the site. On Ocean WP, go to Appearance and Customize. Open Header or Header Options. The logo settings may sit there or inside Site Identity. Click the current logo, choose Select Logo, pick the new image, and click Publish. Open the site and refresh to confirm. To remove the logo completely, go back to Site Identity, click the logo thumbnail, and click Remove or Remove Logo. The header preview usually falls back to the site title. If that looks right, click Publish. If the old logo still appears, refresh the site first. On Windows, hold Ctrl and press F5 for a hard refresh. If you use a caching plugin, open its settings and clear the cache. If your host has server-side caching, clear that in your hosting panel. Then open the site in a private or incognito window. If the new logo appears there, your normal browser is holding the old file. If the logo looks blurry, go back to the media library and check the uploaded file dimensions. A small image stretched to the header width will look soft. Click Replace and upload a higher resolution PNG, around 500 to 1000 pixels wide, that stays sharp without making the page heavy. If the logo looks stretched, open the original image on your computer and check its width and height. The aspect ratio must stay the same. Don't force the theme to set a different width and height that turns a wide logo into a square. Now visit your homepage. Check the header, click the logo, and make sure it opens the correct homepage. Open another page and check the logo still appears. Test the navigation on mobile to confirm the logo doesn't overlap the menu button. Compare the logo against the site colors and typography so it looks intentional. While you're still in the dashboard, check whether your theme has a separate footer logo setting. If it does, it often still points to the old file, so open that and repeat the upload. If your theme uses a sticky header, scroll down the homepage and make sure the smaller version of the logo still looks sharp. If you're using an SVG file, keep it only if your theme supports SVG safely, otherwise swap it for a high-resolution PNG. If this got your logo updated, give the video a like, subscribe for more WordPress fixes, and leave a comment saying it was helpful because comments push this to other people looking for the same thing.